here since I've seen you.
Well, I was out of town for a year, but had to come back to take on some business.
But do you plan on staying?
Miss Parks, we know about you.
Was anybody talking to you? You don't know anything about me. Who are you?
Frank, let it go. Don't get involved.
I'm just saying, it was in the news last year about some things going down around the city. A little police corruption.
Frank, please, just be quiet. You talk too much. Anyway. All done.
Thank you, Lou.
I got you, girl. You're welcome. Oh, you could have got us killed.
Sorry, Lulu.
Wait. This coming Saturday?
Yes.
Nia is what?
Throwing an indoor pool party and having the crunkest music and the sexiest shirtless men. Oh, from hot Atlanta.
That's gay.
Tiffany.
I won't apologize. You need to know the truth. For 3 weeks, I have been planning a surprise party of a lifetime for you. I have confirmed Mary J. Blige, Jamie Foxx, and even your swag master, P. Diddy, to come through. All the who's who were coming to be here for you that night. And I bet you anything that little Miss Nia found out and planned her party for you that same night.
I'm sure this all was just a huge misunderstanding. And Tiffany, had I known about the party you were planning, I wouldn't have accepted Nia's invitation.
No apologies. I know who's responsible, and I'm going to prove to you once and for all that Nia is not to be trusted.
Well, Tiffany, I feel bad about this whole situation. I really do. But what are we going to do about all the time and effort that you put into this party? I can't be at 2 places at the same time.
Well, I guess your surprise delivered me a surprise. But consider your party canceled, effective immediately.
What? So you mean to tell me no Mary J. Blige, no Jamie, no P. Diddy, Puffy, whatever you want to call him?
Nope.